N.R.T. here, guys. So I'm going to show you just how good of a job N.R.T. did here. I would not recommend this. I am a trained professional. But as you can see, I am fully standing in the sink. So this is the quality of work you get from N.R.T. versus Jayco, the manufacturer. You couldn't do this before. I mean, I'm 220, 230, and it's not even moving. So good job. Now I'll move you guys outside and we'll go work on that water inlet. Okay, we're outside now and we are going to get this water inlet figured out. So here's a new one right here. I'm going to go ahead and take some plumber's tape and N.R.T. is a man of many trades. I can do electrical, I can do plumbing, I can do welding, I can rebuild a motor, I can build cabinets, I can... Some guys gonna comment here. You know you use way too much plumber's tape on that, right? Yeah, there's gonna leak. You use way too much. Because we got Mr. Know-It-All in the comments. Typical for me to have Mr. Know-It-All in the comments. Gonna go ahead and if I can get this thing. Okay, you don't want it right there. Want it like right. It's fighting me. It's fighting me. Put that one there. Go ahead and it's not even straight. It will literally drive me up the wall if I don't get this straight. Okay. That's where we're gonna put it. Crap. Okay. Ain't perfect, but that's probably the best that's gonna get. And we take one of these. Then we go behind here and we come on. Come on. Let's see if we can do this without breaking the damn line. Come on, you dang. Come on. Why's it gotta be such a dang pain? Why? Come on, you get in here. It doesn't have that. Something's blocking it. Don't want to break the damn crap, but ain't working. Crap. Just gonna unscrew it from the filter housing. Ah. That is one stubborn damn connector. I know someone's gotta get you, but how much dang plumber's tape on it. Well, it's not working. Okay. I hate this. Damn. Is it on there? Okay. Let me put this on. I feel like that's gotta break because it's cheap. There we go. gonna go ahead and empty this all out of the crap. Because as you can probably see, there's all rust in here. And we got rust repair to do. Nothing like we gotta cut them out on them, but we gotta do a bunch of wire wheeling and painting. So, but then we can take these quick connects to do that, and we can we do something like that. Now I'm going to test out, and I'll pause it for you guys, or I'll end the video. I'll make a new video. Catch you on the next one. Okay, got water going to it. No leaks so far. Prove I got water going to it, I'm going to do a quick disconnect on this quick connect. We got water, boys. We got water. Okay, don't mind I just got drenched, but there's water there, so don't mind all the water leaking there. That's from all the water in there. So, N.R.T did another great job. The Tag Ramsland 2019. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.